critical analysis. This video is your mastery skills assessment video for the skill of purpose and tone. Now, purpose and tone we have not talked quite yet about, unless, depending on when you watch this video. We are going to be covering that a lot in chapters 8 and 9, which we will be getting to on Thursday, April 2nd's lesson, and then the following week. So the purpose and tone skill, while the day that I'm making this video is not open yet, it will be open soon. But I'm going to go ahead and get in purpose and tone, and we're going to take the post-test 1. Because again, a lot of the first post-test really just go over the skills, and that's kind of the purpose. I want to reiterate, make sure you're comfortable with the concepts. So here we go. Question 1, an author's purpose could be described simply as we'll talk about in chapter 8 and 9, the purpose is why an author has written something. So you ask yourself, why did the author write this? To inform, to persuade, to describe, to narrate. What was the purpose? Why did they write it? So their reason for writing a text. Question 2, the emotion or mood of a piece of writing is also known as the tone. Just like we can give tone by our voice, we can show how we feel. That is also how an author can use their words to show their emotion or mood, their tone. Question 3, the purpose of most advertising is, if you think about commercials or billboards, they're trying to persuade you. They're trying to convince you to buy their product. That is the purpose of advertising, to persuade. The purpose of most news reports, if you think about now in theory, they're supposed to be unbiased, and so they're trying to inform you, trying to give you information to let you know what's happening with particular topics going on around the world. Question 5, the tone of most college textbooks can be described as, I would say this is pretty instructional. They're trying to tell you how to do something or inform you with information. So that's kind of their tone. They're teaching, they're instructing. That's the tone of the textbook. Question 6, which of the following would not describe an objective tone? Objective means no opinion. So straightforward and neutral both mean no opinion. Most of the time that can be more serious. So inspirational is not objective because it has opinions to it. It's trying to inspire you. Question 7. If we had the title of a newspaper article that said how cell phones help during natural disasters, well, the purpose of that would more than likely be to inform you how to use your cell phone if a disaster were to occur. I don't think it's going to persuade you to go buy a cell phone or entertain you or anything like that. Question 8. If we had this title, a cell phone company's advertisement brochure, if we had a brochure about a cell phone company, odds are they're trying to persuade you to buy their package, to buy their phone. So they're trying to convince you. But most brochures, that's exactly what they're doing. Question 9, if we had an editorial saying how cell phones are hurting teens, that's probably, again, not going to be entertaining to us. It's probably going to persuade us to think about, if I have a teen, should I allow them to have a cell phone? Or should I be looking at their cell phone use? So it's convincing or persuading us to believe the way that they do. And then finally, those who are willing to risk lives by texting while driving deserve the harshest punishment the state has to offer. They put their own immediate gratification over the lives of others. That is definitely very critical. It is judging. It is harsh. So they are being critical. That is the tone. That's how they feel about the topic. So then I would want to save and submit. And that was kind of down and dirty, really quick. Author's purpose and tone. And we will talk more about these in chapters 8 and 9. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Talk to you later.